Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put together my card from the Crazy Card Chics March 2022 card kits to go. So this is what your packet looks like. There's instructions, we don't need those. I'll take my packet out of the envelope, we'll set that aside for later. The first thing I'm going to do is take this piece of basic white and I'm going to just put some adhesive on the back and put this on the inside. And get that nice and straight, and then I'll set that aside. And then you have this piece of Pacific Point. Now I've already got the Colorado on there. If you don't want it, all you have to do is turn it around. You have it blank like this, or you can even stamp Miss You or Thinking of You or whatever you want down here on your card. I like the Colorado. I'm going to put my card together as is. On this strip of white, I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive along here. And then I'm going to just line this up along the edge here. Now hopefully I got it perfect. If I didn't, all you'd have to do is take your paper snips and trim off if there's some excess hanging off, like I did pretty good on this one. And then on this piece, now I've already done this step for you, but I just took this circle and made it look like Pac-Man, or I cut a little piece of the pie out and then a little adhesive on the back of my yellow circle and set that in the center of my red circle. And that gives us that Colorado C. And then I am going to use some dimensionals, maybe to put this onto my card. Where did my dimensionals go? Here they, okay. Just a couple here, it doesn't take a lot. Like that. And then lay this right here along that white strip like that, and then a couple more dimensionals on the back of this one. Although if you don't have dimensionals, if you laid it flat or just adhered it flat, it would mail probably easier. So you would not have to use dimensionals. You can use what you have on hand. Let me get the backs off of these. There we go. And then just set this on the front of your card base. Now, if you want to stamp on the inside, be sure and stamp your greeting before you lay that down in case you need to flip it over and stamp it again. But there's my card. I hope you like it. Thanks for being a part of Crazy Card Chics, and I hope to see you back next month. Bye-bye.